So again, lye. Be careful, keep it in one thing, and don't mess around with lye. We use alcohol for all of our cleanup, and everything that we've used has been cleaned and sanitized with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. And so that's where we are at this point. We are going to color it, a little bit of it with a little bit of shimmering powder here, just to kind of get some little swirls and something kind of nice. These are going to be our sample, so the leftovers we'll put into our little sample thing. And then we have a 5-pound block for soap mold, and we get about 15 bars off of it. So, and it's been working very, very well. I have no complaints. Could be heavy, as you see that powder goes everywhere. But anyway, so put it right there, and we'll get going with it. So this is all of our liquid. We have our goat milk in there, and we have our oils. Goat milk. There's 2 ways you can do your goat milk. You can freeze your goat milk and then put it in a bucket, put a glass jar and a bucket of ice, and start adding your lye to the frozen goat milk. Because the reaction gets so hot so fast that you can scorch and burn the sugars that are inside the goat milk, and it'll turn brown, it'll smell, it'll give your soap a very ugly look, so you don't want to do that. So we do a 50-50. So we have 50% water, 50% goat milk that's in here. That way we can mix the lye directly into the batter, and everything will works out pretty well. And we haven't had a problem. You will need either a mixer or a stick blender. We use a stick blender. It is causes the emulsification, and then once you get that all done, then it'll start going to trace. Once you get to a light trace, then you can start preparing your molds and putting it into your molds. And like I said, over here, this is our hard oils, and it's a little bit warm, which is what I want, because I want to bring the temperature of this up to match that of my lye that's running, like I said, a little bit over body temperature. But we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up first. I kind of like to mix up my regular oils and then my hard oil, so we'll get this done first. And I guess if I plugged it in, it might work. There we go. Let's see what we do. Just wanted to get these mixed up a little bit because the goat milk is cold. It's trying to thicken our oils just a little bit.